Well, I think the worship center turned out fantastic.
Sunday mornings, you can feel the Lord in the sanctuary on Sunday mornings.
The changes in the church, I think they made my generation more comfortable because it's a different atmosphere, but you're still surrounded by all the people that you trust and know.
I think anytime you do anything new, it shows growth, it shows excitement. I think that exudes outside of our walls. We've had many people that want to be a part of what we're doing because of the renovations we have done so far.
We've seen a real influx of young couples. Just about every Sunday we have somebody joining the church. Some Sundays, 4 or 5 couples.
Since the renovations and the church has gone through the redesign and seeing the future plans of the church, it's even brought a new level of energy and excitement to the village. And we're excited about to see the next phases of change as well.
We have totally changed the experience in the worship space. It's more engaging, it's more inviting, there's better connection between the space and the congregants, but that's only half the battle. We have to carry that throughout the entire church space because we don't want disconnected spaces in the end.
As the architect for this, my biggest challenge was trying to connect all of these various additions that have been done. Great campus, great facility, but large disconnect. The goal here is simple additions to create great connectivity, have the facility flow well. The idea of a covered drop-off is so critical. Looking at the traffic flow, looking at the point of origin, looking at that first-time guest, creating that drop-off, that covered drop-off is so critical for a clear path.
I'm excited about Phase 2 because now we're going to concentrate on the youngest members of the church, the children. Some of their outdoor playground space is going to be taken with some of the renovation. They're going to do an indoor playground, which would be more secure.
Children and youth spaces, for instance, are vital to the growth and health of the church. If first-time guests make their decisions in the first few minutes they're there, then children and youth spaces are going to be part of those decisions. It's imperative that we design children and youth spaces that allow us to reach our kids and grandkids.
I want the seniors to know that they have not been forgotten. Part of this Phase 2 is going to be specifically for them, to make it easier access to the worship center and that they will feel welcome and loved. We don't want anyone to feel unloved or forgotten.
I'm a retired Army officer. I was a plans guy. I like having a plan and I like for it to be well thought out and well executed, and that has been the case with this. I've been very impressed with the planning and the pragmatism. This is a very multi-purpose facility, and all we're doing is giving more tools to accomplish more missions.
If we don't change, if we don't stay current with the community, any organization will eventually die off because people will find what they need elsewhere.
This church has always been innovative in meeting the needs of the citizens of Cumberland County, and that's what the future of this church needs to be.
It's just amazing how when all of us are trying to do what God is leading us to do, what amazing things can happen.